Today, I'm gonna show you how to make the most delicious baked chicken you have ever had in your life. We're not about to waste any time. We're gonna get right on into it. I'm talking flavor on top of flavor on top of flavor. Let's go. So we have a beautiful whole chicken right here, ready to go. You wanna make sure you have yourself some kitchen shears. You're definitely gonna need this. You're gonna see this kind of spine going down the back of your chicken here. That's what we're gonna cut out. We want that to lay flat. Very important, have yourself some sharp kitchen shears. All right, we're just gonna continue cutting this right on out, just like so. We have some excess skin right here. I like to remove some of that excess skin. Don't need none of that. And don't just throw this away, guys. You can always use this to make yourself some chicken broth or whatever. So now that we have this cut out, you wanna go ahead and flip it over like so. You're gonna apply a little pressure right here, guys. Right here is where you're gonna apply a little bit of pressure. Gonna hear a crack. You're gonna see that chicken lay flat. That's what you're looking for. Just like that, guys. Just like that. And I'm also gonna score this chicken. I wanna allow all our yummy seasonings to get into that chicken. Just like that, looking good. There we go. So we got to work on our seasoning that's going to go on our chicken. I have me some oil here, olive oil, about 1/4 cup, seasoning blend. Everything here will be listed on the screen and in the description box as well. You want to go ahead and dump that into the oil like so. We're going to add in a little bit of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of honey. You want to go ahead and give this a mix. And this is exactly what you're looking for. This is going to go right on top of our chicken. We're going to transfer our chicken into a mixing bowl to get it seasoned up. I'm going to do the backside first. Just go ahead and just dump a little bit on there. You're going to rub it in. I'm going to focus a majority of the seasoning on the skin side of the chicken, of course. I just want a little bit on the back here. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over, and the rest is going right here. This is the money maker right here. Just gonna pour that on top of everything, guys, everything. And you could definitely marinate this in the fridge for a couple of hours in this delicious seasoning right here. But it's also okay to just toss it right in the oven as well. It's gonna definitely still be delicious. But yeah, if you have the patience, definitely let this bad boy marinate in the refrigerator. Make sure you get all those little cracks and crevices, all the little, you know, cuts that I made in the chicken. Make sure you get that seasoning in there. So I'm gonna transfer it from that bowl right there to this pan. I'm gonna make sure to scrape off all of that delicious seasoning. We cannot let it go to waste. Make sure you just layer it right on top of our chicken, just like so. We also have some fresh rosemary that we're just gonna place all around our chicken, just like so. That's gonna add not only a wonderful aroma, but a delicious flavor as well to our chicken. Love me some rosemary. And we have some fresh lemon slices that we're gonna also place around our chicken as well. I don't wanna cover the skin of the chicken. You want it to get nice and beautiful. Make sure you're not covering the skin too much. and you're pretty much ready to bake this. So I have my oven already preheated to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake this for about 45 minutes to an hour. If you're uncertain, you could probe it, check the temperature. All right, guys, we are fresh out of the oven and it is smelling so good. Come take a look. How beautiful is this, guys? And when it comes out of the oven, don't be scared to get a spoon. Take some of that juice from the bottom of the pan and just go ahead and baste it right on top like so. This looks absolutely amazing. And I know it tastes just as good as it looks, guys. Look at that. I actually let this go probably closer to an hour. Towards the end of the cook, I did raise the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is the end result, guys, uncovered the whole time. My kitchen right now is smelling so good. This chicken right here is looking amazing and I cannot wait to dig in. Let's just get into it. I want to show you guys how beautiful and juicy this chicken is. Come on, take a look. Look at this, guys. Look at this. That skin right there looks so good right there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. This is the breast, by the way. And look how juicy that is right there. That is literally glistening right at this moment. Glistening. Juicy. Lucy. Get inside here. It's literally glistening inside of here, guys. There's literally puddles. I don't know if you can see that. I need a spoon to scoop it out. Puddles of juice on the inside of that chicken breast right now. Stop playing with your boy. That is beautiful. Cheers, everyone. Wow. That's bomb. That is so freaking good. So freaking good. Oh my. I gotta go in for another piece. Come on now. That's so good. And you got all that juice right there on the bottom. Like I said, don't be scared to just dip it in there real quick. Take another bite. Hands down, this is some of the best chicken you will ever try in your life, guys. Even the breast, as you can see, breast is usually on the drier side. This breast right here is perfectly cooked, glistening, baby. So much juice right here. You gotta give this a try. Most definitely 10 out of 10. Must try again and again and again. Bomb.com. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave me with a like so that YouTube knows that you're loving the content. Subscribe if you're new. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. I've been a little sporadic with the uploads. We're working on that. And comment down below. Let me know what you think about today's video as well as what you want to see on the next one. And I'll be sure to see you soon on the next one. Deuces.